everyone, and welcome back to IELTS with Kashif, where learning English is simple and enjoyable.
Hello everyone and welcome back. It's great to be here with you again.
How are you today?
I'm doing very well, feeling fresh and energetic.
That's good to hear. Did you sleep well?
Yes, I slept early and feel much better today.
I also had a refreshing morning walk. It really helps start the day positively.
Absolutely. A good routine in the morning makes a big difference.
Today we are going to talk about daily routine.
Yes, the things we do every day, like waking up, eating, working, and sleeping.
This topic is very useful for IELTS speaking practice,
because we talk about our daily life very often in English.
Now we will listen to a story about a woman named Fatima. She is a high school teacher. Listen carefully for main ideas.
Hello, everyone. My name is Farah. I am 35 years old and I work as a high school teacher. I live with my husband and our dog in a small house. I usually wake up at 6 in the morning, take a quick shower, and get dressed. At 6:30, I prepare breakfast and check my phone for news. After packing my bag with lesson plans and my laptop, I leave home around 7:15 and drive to school. It takes about 20 minutes, so I always arrive early, before my classes start at 8. In the morning, I teach 3 to 4 classes. My students are energetic and curious, which makes my work interesting. Between classes, I discuss assignments with other teachers. At 12, I have my lunch, which I usually bring from home, typically rice, vegetables, and chicken. After a short rest and some preparation, I continue teaching and helping students throughout the afternoon until I finish my workday at 4:30. When I return home, I change my clothes, relax, and play with my dog or listen to music. In the evening, my husband and I cook dinner together. We eat at 7:30 and talk about our day. After dinner, I spend some time correcting tests and preparing tomorrow's lessons. Before bed, I take a shower and watch a little TV to unwind. I usually go to sleep at 10:30 to be ready for the next day. My days are busy, but I truly enjoy my work.
Let's understand some useful phrases. We say wake up when sleep ends. Get out of bed means standing up after waking. Turn off the alarm is used for devices. Stretch means moving your body after sleep. We say get dressed for wearing clothes. We also say have breakfast instead of eat breakfast. And it takes me 20 minutes shows time duration. Let's listen to Fatima's story once more. Focus on key phrases and daily actions. Think about your own daily routine. What time do you wake up and what do you do daily? Practice writing it in English. Don't forget to subscribe to IELTS with Kashif. Thank you for listening. Goodbye and see you next time.